Calling Tiger Paw Sports Film Festival a great platform for young filmmakers to showcase their work, former Indian cricketer Sabba Karim, while talking to NNIS, praised the organizers for the initiative they have undertaken. Former cricketer Sabba Karim attended the event on the second day. He was inspired by the films shown in the three-day event and believes there is a story to be told by every sports person.
Much needed because sports films have their own platform, and I think they have such a terrific package that's so inspirational. It's a great boon for youngsters to come and watch such movies, such documentaries, and get inspired. There's story to be told in each and every country by so many sportsmen. I think good to find filmmakers doing that great work.
He complimented the organizers of the film festival for bringing such a platform for the youngsters who are eager to show their talent.
Yeah, I'm sure more and more film will come up. More and more foreign filmmakers will come up with some more inspirational stories to be told. And I think the production house needs to be complimented for the kind of work they have done so far.
Meanwhile, he was impressed by the Kenyan cricketer docu-feature The Karims, a sporting dynasty, which was featured in the film festival today. He believes the ex-creator can still contribute to improve the sport in Kenya.
Great, because I know Asif for a number of years now, and I already knew about his achievements on the cricket field and also as a tennis player. But the fact that sports runs in his family was such a great sight to watch. And there's so much work still to do for Asif to improve cricket in Kenya. But the kind of personality he has, the kind of values he has, the way he has played his cricket, the way he's conducted his own life, I'm sure that he can offer so much to Kenyan cricketers even now.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.